What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 tips to assist your trading in ThinkorSwim. Tip number 1 is going to be how you link your charts to your watch list. What you're going to want to do is go to your watch list and you'll see this link icon next to the watch list name. You want to click on that and set it to whatever your chart is set to. So 1 in this case. It'll be next to your ticker symbol box. This helps you quickly navigate between tickers back and forth, so you can just click on the ticker name and it'll transition right on over to that specific ticker. Tip number 2 is going to be the order tab. If you look to the bottom left of your chart, you should have a little tab you can pop open. This is your order entry, and this is a way you can watch the ticker move itself while you actually have your order ready to buy. Let's just say we wanted to buy this call at 89 cents, right? So now I already have it ready. I have my quantity I want to buy, and I can just customize everything here, and I can confirm and send the order. So I can go by and just do my technical analysis and watch the ticker move itself so that I can see what's going on. And if I think a position is ready to be taken, then now I already have my order ready, and all I have to do is hit confirm and send, or just adjust my price based on what the movements were. So tip number 3, it's going to be the quick access toolbar. So you can access quickly different study sets that you have saved, like all indicators, or even make a clear button, or you could even do tools. So you can quickly transition your default tool back and forth. You would just simply hit the gear icon, go down here on the very first page, it'll say my tools, and you want to put this on each chart, and you hit apply. I have mine to automatically hide. If you want to do that as well, you would just pin it or unpin it. Unpinning it will make it disappear and it'll pop up when you move towards it. To configure the buttons, you would just hit this gear icon and it'll say add button. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like the tips that I shared, do me a solid and share with your friend and help them out as well. And like always, I'll see you traders in the Discord chat.